Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois until 11:15 p.m. At 10:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gilbert's, or near Sleepy Hollow, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elgin around 10:45 p.m. Sleepy Hollow and West Dundee around 10:55 p.m. St. Charles and East Dundee around 11:05 p.m. Geneva, Bartlett and Wayne around 11:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.